Hi, you are very welcome to my YouTube channel. First, I'd like to thank you for checking out my YouTube channel and videos. If you found this video valuable, please give it a like and share it to see someone who might get help. Add it to a playlist if you want to watch it later. And you can subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon to get notifications about all my new videos. Today I will show you how to fix file and folder hiding virus attacked pen drive. First, let's see how is it see when you open an attracted pen drive. When you are fixing the pen, if you don't want to get attacked by this virus, do not double click to open pen drive. Use address bar and open pen drive by selecting drop down list in address bar. As you can see, this pen drive already empty as it seems. Now I will show you what I've done by this virus. I will open another Explorer window. Here you can see this pen drive is really not empty. So let's see what happened to the data and how to take this data back. Open folder option and go to view tab in dialog box. Now change following settings. 1. Change radio button to show hidden files and folders. 2. Uncheck these 3 checkbox. As you see, last checkbox will pop up a warning message. Don't worry about it. Click on yes. Then click on apply and OK. Now you can see some folders in your pen drive. If we checked properties of this hidden unnamed folder, you can see it contains almost all size of used space of pen drive. And this folder is hidden and read-only. Now we can only change this read-only option, so let's remove read-only option and apply changes for all folder in files. Now check properties again. Oh, we can't change this folder properties using Windows Explorer. Here we check what we can do for this error. First, find your pen drive letter. In my video it is G letter. Now open command prompt and type this command as in video, or you can find command in description. Remember to use your drive letter correctly. You can learn more about this command in my other videos. Now go and check how our pen drive is. You can see already icon has changed. Delete these unwanted folders from pen drive. One folder will not delete because it is a system folder. Then rename and open the folder and cut all contains to paste where always early. Once all files and folders are copied to outside of change folder, I can delete it. Finally, I will check how his rescued files are working. Thanks for watching my video. So I hope you learned something helpful. Let's meet in another video. If need more help with these videos, just comment here below. Don't forget to subscribe me and like my videos.